Welcome to our second episode of This Is How They Do That podcast that helps demystify the magic behind today's coolest AI technology. I'm your host, Quincy, and today, instead of jumping into AI voiceover tools, you guys requested that we delve a little deeper into the basics of AI image generation. You know those incredible images flooding your social feeds? The ones with impossible landscapes, hyper realistic portraits of people who don't exist, or that picture of a corgi dressed as Darth Vader attending a board meeting? Yeah, those weren't made by some digital Picasso pulling all nighters. They were created by AI in seconds. Today, I'll walk you through how the three most popular AI image generators, Copilot, ChatGPT, and Midjourney, actually work their magic. First off, let's talk about what's happening behind the scenes. AI image generators are basically sophisticated guessing machines. They've been trained on billions of images from across the internet. Everything from Renaissance paintings to your cousin's blurry vacation photos. Imagine if you showed someone millions of pictures of cats until they could not only recognize a cat, but draw one from scratch. That's basically what we've done with these AIs. Except instead of just cats, it's, well, everything. These systems use what nerds call diffusion models. I like to think of it as reverse dust creation. You start with static, like an old TV screen, and the AI gradually removes the noise until a clear image forms based on your description. It's like watching a Polaroid develop. If that Polaroid could read your mind and had never actually taken a photo of what you're thinking about. Now let's break down the big three. First up, Microsoft Copilot. This is the helpful AI assistant built into Windows and the Edge browser. Copilot uses DALL-E models from OpenAI for its image generation. What makes Copilot special is its accessibility. It's right there in your computer, no separate subscription needed. The good, it's incredibly convenient and produces clean, consistent results. The not so good, it tends to be more conservative with what it'll create. Try asking for something even mildly spicy, and Copilot will clutch its digital pearls faster than my grandma watching Game of Thrones. Pro tip, Copilot excels at creating professional, straightforward images. Need a mock-up for work or a simple illustration? Copilot's your friend. Next, ChatGPT with DALL-E 3. OpenAI's chatbot got image superpowers when they integrated DALL-E 3 along with its image upgraded image generator in ChatGPT 4.0. The chatbot is now better, smarter, and more aware of context when it comes to making images. The good, ChatGPT is amazing at interpreting vague prompts. You can literally say, "Show me something cool with elephants," and it'll come up with something surprisingly thoughtful. The funny quirk, ChatGPT sometimes overthinks your prompts. Ask for a cat, and it might give you a philosophical interpretation of feline existence. It's like that friend who always has to show how deep they are. Pro tip, ChatGPT shines when you want to iterate. You can say, "Make the cat bigger," or "add more blue," and it remembers what you're working on. Finally, Midjourney. This is the art world's darling, known for creating those dreamy, almost painterly images that make everyone go, "Whoa!" The good, Midjourney creates the most artistic, visually striking images of the bunch. It's like it went to art school while the others were just flipping through magazines. The quirky challenge? Midjourney uses Discord as its interface, which feels a bit like ordering gourmet food through a drive-through speaker. It works, but there's a learning curve. Pro tip, Midjourney loves specific artistic references. Mention "in the style of Monet" or "cyberpunk aesthetic" and watch it shine. Now for some quick prompting advice that works across all three. Be specific about what you want. A photorealistic tiger swimming in a crystal clear mountain lake at sunset will get you better results than just tiger water. Mention style. Adding phrases like digital art, watercolor painting, or 1980s movie poster dramatically changes the output. Don't panic about the weird hands. All AI image generators struggle with human anatomy. Ask for a picture of someone holding something and you might get a hand with 7 fingers arranged like a spider plant. It's not you, it's them. I once asked for a businessman shaking hands with a client and got what looked like two people trying to pass each other octopuses under the table. AI is incredible, but it still thinks humans are just faces attached to weird flesh tentacles. These tools are revolutionizing creative work. Whether you're a marketer who needs quick visuals, an artist looking for inspiration, or just someone who wants to see what Abraham Lincoln riding a dinosaur through a shopping mall might look like. We're living in a time where imagination can be visualized instantly, and that's pretty incredible. Just remember, with great power comes great responsibility. These images look real but aren't. Always disclose AI generated content, respect copyright, and maybe don't use AI to create your dating profile pictures. Oh, trust me on that one. That's our crash course on AI image generation. Next week, we'll talk about how AI voice cloning works, or as I call it, how to make your phone sound exactly like your mother, asking why you haven't called lately. Until then, this is Quincy signing off. Keep creating, stay curious, and remember, now you know how they do that.